Do you want to lock WhatsApp chat without any new update? WhatsApp new chat lock feature allows you to keep your chat locked and hidden with your fingerprint or password. If you want to enable WhatsApp chat lock, then in this video I will show you how to lock WhatsApp chats on Android using WhatsApp lock feature. So let us to start. First of all, open WhatsApp app on your phone. In WhatsApp, tap on a conversation in the chats inbox that you want to lock. Next, tap on the name of the contact or group name at the top of the screen. Now enable chat lock to this contact. So now this chat is locked. So this is how to lock WhatsApp chat without installing an app. I hope this video will help you to enable WhatsApp chat lock feature. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.